Hi, this video is to inform you about the IPMAT BBA crash course, which will be held online and in the classroom at Thane. So, just to give you brief details. Now, this is a course basically for students up to 12th. Yeah, people who are after 10 and after 11 who plan to give IPM and BBA entrance can also enroll with us. So, we have BBA is nothing but a 3-year graduation course in management after 12th. So, some of the colleges exam, the Maharashtra has a BBA CET. So, it's a separate exam for all the BBA and BMS colleges in Maharashtra. It's the management graduation course. So almost all the top colleges in Maharashtra will be included in this. So you need to give this exam. NMAT has a graduation course. They have very good courses. They have courses on BSc Finance and a lot of other specialized courses which is interesting. Look at it. Symbiosis, Christ, Xavier's, Delhi University, and so on. So there are many BBA courses which are there, 3-year graduation course after management. If you're interested, you will have to write the entrance exam for these colleges and then take admission accordingly. Similarly as IPM. IPM is a 5-year integrated BBA plus MBA course. I mean, colleges that normally give the IPM course are IIM Indore, Ranchi, Rohtak, Jammu, Bodh Gaya, Amritsar. So basically 6 IIMs as of now giving the IPM course. There is IFT Kakinada, which is also a government college. Tapni, Manipal, Bangalore. Tapni has 2 colleges. Manipal is supposed to be better off than Bangalore. Then Nirma Ahmedabad has a IPM course, Nalsar and Nekpar. So these are colleges that offer 5-year integrated BBA plus MBA course. So if you're interested to apply for these, then there is an entrance exam. For that we conduct a crash course. Crash course will cover the syllabus, we'll have shortcut workshop, we'll provide you your notes and the mocks for the exams. You will also get the videos for preparing different aspects and recordings of live lecture sessions. So you will also get strategy of how to crack the different examinations. Timings Monday to Friday from 9:30 to 12:30 or 3 to 6 p.m. So if you're interested, you can contact us for a course. For enrolling, you can go to purchase prep.patrick100.com. Out there you can go to a purchase page, or you can contact us at 9821314788 or email us at support@coinacademy.com. Right? If you will come up with more videos, it will help you with regards to preparation for IPM BBA. Do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.